Altcoins are down. Bitcoin is down. Is it lights out for the crypto market? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Davinci. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Man, my portfolio of trades have seen the darkness, seen the lights go out heavily as I don't know. I'll show you some serious red in the trades right here. Let me just go into damn G. That's leaving a mark. It's leaving a mark. So what do we do from here? Where do we go? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Well, yeah, I know exactly. Jesus, looking at Bitcoin. Again, this is serious, right? Can this just be wicked out here and then come? Yes. And then we can see that this is on a daily, the 200 daily moving average is at right here, 95. That's a possibility that we're going to retest at this point if we break this level. Only if we break that 100K level. There's no, it's a most likely situation. But if we do that, we're stuck below the 100K for quite some time. That's the sad thing, right? And yeah, there's nothing. We're just gonna have to eulogize Bitcoin for a while, and then it's got to find its momentum, whether it comes all the way back to the 88K and bounces off that, and then goes higher or something like that. It is a nightmare. It is an absolute nightmare of a situation right now that could occur, right? Because Bitcoin's got to turn this thing around. These candle patterns, daily candle patterns is horrible. Right here, you can see this is indecision, and then we were deciding all right, and deciding heavily on the negative side. And you can see these candles patterns here indicate that we've got more downside to go. Pretty much the same size as this whole move here going further, which will break this lower level. Now, if we fail to if we break this lower level and fail to continue higher, that is the lights out situation for several months. And it's really hard to take, but it is what it is. Looking at what we're seeing here, we can see that that Bitcoin, right? Let's just go down to the 4 hour. That Bitcoin is, seeing somebody, the guy who actually turned this thing around, because there's somebody down here, right? Somebody here. He's back up here. He's like, okay, I'm buying, but I don't know if he's got enough buying power to keep going. There's a lot of people vomiting their positions at this point, so it's going to be a really tough one. Whoever it is buying down here, damn, it's most likely OTC desks and stuff like that. They're willing to pick some up for a later time where they're going to sell to other people, or they have some hedge positions with what's it called, puts, right? So they're buying it here. They've already had that puts up here, and so now they're buying up some assets so those puts can help them. Should Bitcoin decide to do something stupid, right, and have a bear market right now, because you just don't know, right? Wow, Solana, absolute destruction of epic proportions on Solana, right? Just like what? It not only did that, it all blew through the bottom here, right? And so it was like, it's almost as if, remember how I said, okay, well, this was the target, right? It was the target, but there was I'm going to screw you all, wipe you out, and then go down to the target. Like bastards, absolute bastards, right? They're just absolute bastards, right? Because when you see it, right, that's the 61.8 from this big move up here. So it's like, we'll get there, but not easily. Right? We pumped and then failed. It is what it is, right? And so it looks like 61.8 is the target. We can even go as low as the 24, 124. Oh my God. Oh my God. Right? From this move to this move, right? The 1.618 is a key level. Bastards, man. Bastards. Yeah. And it's not like it's going to go there right away, right? So it's going to probably come back down, fail, come back up here, then screw y'all. Right? Or it could just, this could be the beginning of the, just capitulation move down, right? So this is what we're looking at. Ethereum, same thing. The only difference is that there's somebody, it's created horrible. Oh my God, these candles are so scary. Close here would mark that we're going like seriously down, which means we'll probably break further down all the way. I mean, 2100 is a support level, but who cares? It's not going to hold. And then we're talking 1800. Jesus, what the hell? Wow. This is like, and that means it's going to be harmful for the crypto markets for quite some time. But Bitcoin will be okay. Bitcoin looks like it's going to go to 66. All right. So whilst these things are going down, Bitcoin will be like, yeah, I'll go as low as 95, right? 92, right? But these things, other things are going to go down like 40, 50%. It's a sad state of events, but it is what it is. You can see that the dominance is saying, I'm creating higher highs and higher lows. You know what that means? I'm in the middle of and the band is tightening. It's clear what is next, and it's unfortunately the dominance goes higher. Mostly when Bitcoin is collapsing and the altcoins are collapsing. There it is. Yep, it is. It is a sorry state of affairs. Right? Nothing you can do. Right? This is crypto, right? We're seeing even the meme coins are going to get bled out a little bit here, so for a while, and so as soon as it looks like we're going to break. Everything indicates that this is breaking. Both Ethereum, Solana, right, and Bitcoin is breaking their levels, especially when we see on the daily time frames candlestick patterns that are just not positive. It is what it is. Now, it sucks, right? What do you do right here? Well, we're just going to have to wait out the trade. I think I'm going to walk away from my Bitcoin trade on WEEX in the next little while, right? See if there's any kind of bounce, and then walk away from the WEEX trade, and then re-examine it after we break, because there's a clear indication, especially with the dominance, like unless the dominance reverses, right? I mean, that's the only way. That for sure that Bitcoin could hold it, right? Because then if Bitcoin reverses heavy, then all the rest of the alts will reverse, and they will reverse a lot more, and then the dominance would go down. It is what it is. So hopefully we can see, that's what it is. We can see that this thing reverses heavily, but I don't think so. It's unlikely. Lower probability of that we're going to reverse. So we have to let it be. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend, even with this sad news coming up for this weekend and this Friday. Thanks for watching. Peace.